In order to work fast, accurately and efficiently, the woodworkers have to know how to use the measuring and marking tools, so it demands woodworkers more than the basics. Because when you have an idea, even though it is just hatching or have sketched the paper, it is vital to transfer it into your materials through the marking tools. Today you are probably familiar with tools like a tape measure, pencil, square, and so on. I'm gonna introduce some of the traditional Japanese marking tools, which may be tried in your upcoming projects, and I hope they might solve some of the problems that other marking tools have not. The most basic of all tools is Sashigane. Today, it is mostly made from brass, German silver, alloys of copper, zinc, and nickel, or stainless steel, and it is used very similar to Western carpenter's framing square, but the markings, material, shapes, are quite different. The blade is designed to be extremely delicate. It has a contour so that when used with a bamboo pen called sumisashi, the space between the edges of the square and the marked surface allows moving the square without blurring the ink. Yet by holding the edge of the square flat against the surface, very accurate measurements might be made. Sashigane is the basis for marking it all. If it is not square, then the whole construction won't be right, so you have to check if that angle is correct. Sashigane is narrower, smaller, and more flexible than the Western square. Its shape allows for square movement, without blurring the ink, while allowing accurate measurement when the edge is pressed on the wood. The edge called urame is the most important difference between the Sashigane and the Western square. Its use is far-ranging. Carpenters use this edge to determine the type of square wood of the largest size that can be cut out of a log. This is done by placing the Sashigane on the smallest diameter of the log, with no calculation needed. Another way that carpenters use urame edges is to mark the precise angles of the angled mortise and tenon joints of a house. Accuracy is very important in this work, because when the pieces are assembled, they must fit perfectly without testing and trimming. If you are confusing whether to adopt a new measurement system, the American version of this Sashigane will be helpful, which is marked in inches or metric system.